How to resize a video for TikTok. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today, so without delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the TikTok application on your device and make sure you are logged into your account. Then tap on the plus icon at the bottom of the screen, and as you tap on it, you can simply select from your gallery that you want to resize. So I'm going to select one of the video over here and then tap on next over here. So simply what you need to do is tap on this edit icon. So let's go back. So tap on this edit icon. So as you tap on edit icon, you can see different menus at the bottom of the screen. Simply drag it to the left, and here you can see the options. So tap on the crop option. Here you'll be able to see different aspect ratio according to what you need. So you can select whichever you would need, and then you can just tap and save. That way you can just send it and you can now post it for your TikTok. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.